Stop! If you're watching this video, it's because you have looked into solar and batteries and didn't make sense at the time. And I'm here to tell you why. My name is Josue Phillips. I have studied across 3 different countries and 13 years of experience in renewable energy. I'm a licensed contractor with the state of Texas, and I'm here to tell you all the secrets on how you can get a quote 3 times cheaper than the competition, and how you can do that directly without going to a middleman, without going to a door knocker or a sales pitch. We all know how annoying that can be, and I'm here to tell you all the secrets. As you might know, all the tax credits are going away December 31st, 2025. So you know what? I'm not gonna hold back. I'm just gonna spill all the beans and tell you exactly how you can get a quote 3 times cheaper than potentially a quote you already have in your inbox. And you can compare it and you can see how much more affordable a real contractor can be. So number 1, the reason why you got a very extremely high quote, we're talking about $60,000 for 26 solar panels, something absolutely absurd and crazy. Let me explain. In the solar industry, most solar companies that come from Utah and California, they are not the solar contractors. They're just a sales organization called a solar dealer, and all they do is knock on doors and get people to sign up at inflated prices, inflated rates, so they can make a killing. Number 2, you're paying up to 7 levels of commission structures. Let me explain. Many times you meet with the door knocker, then a consultant comes to your door. After that, he has a manager, and that manager has a regional manager. That regional manager has a VP of sales. That VP of sales has a director of sales, and then the owner of the dealership or the sales organization. And that's how you could pay up to 3 times more than if you go directly with the contractor. Number 3, how do you know he's a direct contractor? Just go to Google and type TDLR lookup, Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation lookup. Then you can type the name of the contractor, and there you can realize if they're the contractor or not. And that's how you can save yourself a whole lot of money. If they're not the contractor, you probably don't want to go with them. Why? Because you want to go directly with the contractor. You want to cut off the middleman, and you want to get the direct pricing from them. Number 4, you can skip the sales representatives with their sales pitches and tactics, and you can just get the information directly on our website, and you can get an instant quote. And there you can get guaranteed the best price. We have a matching guarantee. If you find someone that is giving you the exact quality, the exact price, we will match it. We have made this possible because we have put all the resources and information on our website where you can go get educated, size your system very, very easily. The system will do it for you. In there, you can choose the package you want. You can choose how many batteries you decide. In there, you can check out. You can place the order. And in that way, you will skip all those middlemen and all the sales pitches, and you can guarantee the best price possible directly from us, a reputable local contractor that will make sure you can get the service you're wanting and you have been wishing for. And that's one of the best kept secrets, is that most solar companies are not solar companies. They're just middlemen or sales dealers out there selling for a few solar contractors and inflating the prices to where you're paying up to 3 times the real price of a solar contract. So go ahead and click the link below and get an instant quote directly from a licensed contractor in the state of Texas.